name is Nick Powell. I'm the aerospace program developer here at Francis Tuttle Technology Center. So our job is to listen really to what those needs are in industry. We try and build tailored, customized programs. We have the ability here at Francis Tuttle to enroll somebody in these programs. Within a matter of 10 to 15 weeks, they have the skill sets for entry-level placement at many of these maintenance, repair, overhaul companies that are working on aircraft.
My name is Dave Nolting. I am the avionics install instructor. The students in this class will be working on an aircraft like this. In that nose, you can see there's many different harnesses, assemblies, there's individual wires, there's connectors, and they go from that being absolutely bare to installing all that, and even installing it, removing it, and possibly repairing it if that's what I've asked them to do.
I'm Josh Rye. I attend the structural maintenance or aviational sheet metal class here at Francis Tuttle. When I was a kid, my dad used to take this class and he kind of pushed me in this direction, and after doing it for a little bit now, it's pretty nice. I like it. It's a 4-ish, 5-ish month class, so you still get very good training, and it's a lot more accessible. The class in general is just great. There's so many great things about it. The teachers, the knowledge you're gonna gain from it, everything about the class is great.
We have to have trained technicians to know how to pin wire, strip wire, build connectors, build connector harnesses, route those harnesses throughout aircraft. Some of these aircraft, the larger ones, have upwards to 200 miles of wire within the aircraft. And when you're talking the structure of an aircraft, you're talking sheet metal, you're talking composites, carbon fiber, Kevlar, fiberglass. We teach students how to drill in sheet metal. We teach students how to rivet. We teach students how to lay up composite material in molds, vacuum bag that material out, and produce an actual part that could be applied to an aircraft structural frame.
What makes aviation exciting is it's almost always different. Our job's worldwide. So here in a little bit, I'm going to Iraq, and it's great. I'm doing the same exact job I'm doing in Oklahoma, but I'm gonna do it in Iraq. And you get to see different things. Every aircraft's different. There's different systems. There's top secret stuff I've worked on that's just really, really cool. And it gets exciting when you start getting into it that way.